Good morning, day 3. Our water source for day 3.
We got this one running pretty good now.
Good. Love hiking in the mornings, going down to get water. Well, this is the trail between Campbell Shelter and Tinker Cliffs. We're moving on pretty quickly today to catch a ride to avoid the hurricane. Not videoing much, but I wanted to kind of show you this. This is between Campbell Shelter and Tinker Cliffs. Neat little spot on the trail. Always the neon green in our view, which is nice. Taking a quick water break, but I wanted to show you the trail. We're going over this one. Yes. That is the trail. So we are evaluating our options. Going straight up. All right, we made it up, and we are so glad we did. Beautiful, beautiful. And there's a breeze. Now the fun part is that the trail continues. See the white blazes? All the way up. And he took my poles. Okay. We made it up. Here is where we are. My hubby sitting on the edge. There is where we came up. I have to say, this is what you call a blowdown.
Someone's calling my name.
Oh, we don't have time for a sit-down break, but... very cool looking orange variety of mushrooms around a stump. I guess that gives it good nutrients. We've got a deer up there. I don't know if we'll be able to get it. I saw its tail wagging as I came up over the bridge. There he is. Fiddlesticks. So the AT goes that way. There's also a trail going around that way. It is hazy today. Standing out on the point here. There's a ledge over there. Just sticking out there. So you can climb all over these rocks if you're a mind to. Rock climbing at its finest. Well, not rock climbing, but rock climbers would take offense to that. And the trail continues. I'll try to video without falling off the cliff.
Careful on this one, it's moving.
What?
I can feel it.
Seriously? Pretty walk indeed. We are now on the switchbacks headed down below the cliffs. So this trail makes me want to say, Joe Coca-Cola, Joe Coca-Cola. I'm curious, I'll post that and see how many people know what I'm talking about. Very pretty trail. Switchbacks down from Tinker Cliff, headed towards Lambert. We're gonna cut up to the parking lot after we get down. Beautiful valley here at the bottom. Got a sign here. Tinker Cliffs 5 miles.
All that right across the Appalachian Trail. I'm gonna sit down right up here.
Indian Trail. Where we're supposed to be. Appalachian Trail goes this way. See that Appalachian Trail mark? You have to climb over all of that. We have learned that it's not shotguns and blasting at the quarry. This is the Andy Lane Trail, which is on private land. It's always fun when the trail goes straight through a log. Super fun. This is not what I wanted to see. Let's see if I can zoom it so you can see it. It goes on, straight down, steps. So from the place where I stopped and took the first video, I counted 86 steps. And I was maybe a third of the way down at the time. And on the other side of the steps, there's this. You can see Justin way up there. I'm liking the trail less. I thought I was at the parking lot, but I'm not. I'm at the bridge. I have to go right down there underneath that tree and lay down. But we have a ride to catch. Here's another one of the cow gates. Being from Texas, we are very familiar with cows, so they don't freak us out at all. But pretty pasture, about to rain, associated with the hurricane. We'll see if these cows try to bother me as I walk through. They probably won't. It's starting to sprinkle. Hurricane rains are apparently here. Different variety than we've seen. Very pretty. We have some different ones over here. Kind of look like blue bonnets, only they're more purple. We are about to get wet. It is sprinkling right in front of me on the trail. I was running up because it's raining, and this big black snake went across the trail right in front of me. Ooh. Good morning. Here we are airing out after quite a bit of rain on the trail, evaluating our food choices for the rest of the trip. Also, a very huge thanks to Homer Witcher, who's been our shuttle driver, picked us up at the Andy Lane Trail, is going to take us back.